Headaches and migraines are something that we see very often in our chiropractic office. Many people coming in with these symptoms don't necessarily know why they're having those symptoms and think the medication is the only thing to turn to for any type of relief. Now, chiropractic over the last few decades has been really improving and evolving to where we could be really specific in finding out what may be causing those symptoms. And then we could address that issue with very gentle chiropractic adjustments to help realign the segments of the spine. We can come up with a specific plan, individualized to you, so that we can make improvements and prevent those symptoms from coming back in the future. We've seen dramatic results with these headaches and migraines and seeing people's overall quality of life improve. A recent study showed that over a period of 1 year, there were 2 million physician office visits, 200,000 advanced imaging procedures, 60,000 other diagnostic procedures, and 22,000 hospital days occurred specifically because of headaches and migraines. Recent research has shown that chiropractic care has a 57% increased effect in reducing migraines over drug therapy. So if we get misalignments, specifically in this upper region of the cervical spine, that can lead to not only loss of motion and loss of proper structure of the spine, but then that also puts pressure and tension on the nervous system and these nerves. Now these nerves are going to the muscles back here in the neck, and with a signal from the brain telling those muscles to contract, that then pulls at the head, causing more tension and those headache symptoms. And chiropractic is great at improving the spinal dysfunction, leading to not only decreased symptoms, but improved function. So I would encourage you that if you have these headache or migraine symptoms, or you know somebody that does, please share this with them so that they could have the option to improve these symptoms, get to the root cause naturally. We would be happy to discuss that with them.